Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I will be giving away an account, so stay tuned to be part of this giveaway. So yeah, let's just do this. Okay. La-di-da, la-di-da. Okay. Okay, wait, I think I forgot it, so let me find it on here, so yeah. Oh yeah, okay, I found it, because I forgot it. There we go. Oh, wrong password. What? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. I think I forgot the password. Okay. I forgot the password, so we have to make a new one. So basically, in this account, I will be making a character. Okay, yeah. Let's just stick with what we got over here. So basically, we are going to change our skin color. It's absolutely disgusting, to be totally honest with you. So yeah, that'll be their skin tone. So her eyes are gonna be this, but I want to change it into a greenish color that you can never find, like it's really rare. So for the lips, I'm going to use this. No, it's too bad. No, I can't. Sorry, I'm kind of sick. Like, I'm not sick, but you know. Yeah, I'm trying to find the perfect, like, tone for her lips. It has to be, like, a light pinkish. Yeah, that will do. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick your hair. So I'm going to pick this one because I think it's really cool. So now let's change the color. I like to look basic. So yeah, I just like to look super basic. And this account I will be giving it away. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and like this video. Comment down below if you want this. I will be putting the password and the username down below in the description down below. So yeah. Okay, let me explain. So the only way to enter in this giveaway is to do as is following: like this video, turn on the notification bell, subscribe. You can auto me and gift me to my main, which is BlackTeddy3233, and also you can gift me by BlackTeddy23. So yeah, that is my main. So basically, we're going to make a random username. So the username is going to be called CupcakeCoolGal. Yeah, it's not a really interesting username, but we will stick for it. We will stick with it for now. I really like the color of the eyes because they're really adorable, and yeah. Okay, so basically, we're in this account, and we will be doing like a few stuff, like to make the character pretty and stuff. So yeah, I don't want to go through this, so we're just gonna skip it because I don't want to see stupid Pixie Star because she is just weird. And I just hate how we have to be friends with her. She's just so ugly. You know what I mean? But yeah, basically we have to be friends with her. So now we're gonna open some of her gifts. Wow, yay, got 200. I hate when we always get like the robot head or something. I always have to get an eyeball. Okay, so basically we're going to open all these gifts so we can get some money because I have no problem with doing this. It's just so simple. Yay! Okay, so I want to make it all the same color because it would be super cool. So it's kind of like I can't get the same color, but I will try. I will try to do that, and then we will make like a similar outfit thing where we match it up. That's like a similar color, but I'll see if I can find. Oh, that's like a dark. Yeah, I can't really compare. Like, no, I can't find the color. Look at the color. It's because it's using 2 shades of pink. That makes total sense now. Okay, so was it the? Oh, that's just purple. Okay, so we're going to do the outfit purple because our character loves purple. And yeah, we'll just do it purple. No, that's not the color. This is the color. Okay, so, and then for this one, we will do the same. And I think I'm gonna slay this outfit. So yeah. What the heck? That's just great. And then we're just gonna do the same purple color because my character loves purple. So for this, we're going to make it all the same color because I suck. So basically it's supposed to be this color. So we're gonna do it for everything right now because that's the smartest thing to do, because yeah, we just suck. No, I did a really different color. It's supposed to be that. And then it will just be adorable. And then for your shoes, you want to have them all a solid color. So we're going to put them like gold. No, the bottom is black. No. The bottom is supposed to be black. And then this is supposed to be gold. Like basically everything is supposed to be gold because it all is. Okay, so that is just slaying right now. You know what? Let's change it to like silver. Yeah, we're gonna change it to like, oh yeah, that's silver. Oh, silver would be like that. Yeah, like this. And it'll be like really cute. And then the bottom will also be that color. Okay, so yeah. Ugh, I don't know how to do this. The bottom. Shouldn't the bottom be like gold? Yeah, that will do. Okay, then we're gonna claim that. Now we're gonna claim more money because I suck. And then we're just leveling up real quick because we need to do that, and yeah. Yeah, a character just needs to level up. Wow! Okay, so I'm obviously gonna choose these pants because I am not crazy. You can tell, I don't know what I'm trying to say. So, something similar. So they all have to be the same color. So, I'm gonna claim all of them, which is really important. You want to do all the activities. I think this is super mandatory. Like literally, it's so mandatory right now. So you just want to do all the tasks and everything. And to achieve this goal, I just need. Okay, why am I even saying that? So you just have to watch like a YouTube video, and I don't know why this happens.
Okay, guys, so
it's kind of like a glitch, something like that. I never watched this, so
she got.
oh yeah, I got it. Okay, so basically, the glitch to this to just click the end of the video, and then just click love it, and then you're done. And then you have to click clean, and check all of this stuff. And since you have a lot of money, you can go shopping next. And the good thing is that I haven't actually been shopping yet because I'm saving up all my money. So yeah, we are going to click dress up, and now we're gonna close it. What? I didn't do anything, but it's just so bad. Like literally, so bad. Oh, it's so bad. Okay, so I just had to wait. It says try a game of dress up with other movie stars and close it when you're done. Okay, so basically, it's not really working right now. Okay, here. We have to dress like a freaking alien. I'm gonna try my hardest. I don't even know why that's an option, but you know. Yes, I'm done. What? I didn't even claim anything. Oh. Is this glitching now? Okay, literally, let's change your outfit. Yeah, this is glitching. So let's go back to my account because I think I got a message or something. And you're not getting your account back and no VIP. I don't care. Like literally. She gave me a gift 12 minutes ago, okay? This girl, I just hate her so much. Okay, anyways, let's go back. So this kind of glitched. So I need to, okay, that she replied. Okay, we're going to, so basically just pay attention to my conversation. I checked your inventory. No, you don't buy, boo, honey. This girl's a bitch. I'm not trying to curse, but literally, she's a bad person. Yeah, she went offline. And she blocked me. This is just beautiful. We're going to report her. She is personal threats, bad language. No, let's just give her personal threats because yes. I want Movie Star Planet to take this girl out of here. Like literally, that was my favorite account. Okay, let's see about this. Like literally, it's still glitching, but I'm still gonna give it away, and in the comments down below I am going to say the password and everything. But before that, we're going to reload the page, and yeah, it was CupcakeCoolGal, right? Yeah, CupcakeCoolGal. So log in. CupcakeCoolGal. Let's log in. So wow. Okay, so basically, yeah. So I want you guys to comment down below if I should do a face reveal. No, I don't know if I should because my face is ugly.